अनेकांच्या पोटातील ओठावर येणाऱ्या गुपितांची बिनधास्त मांडणी करणारं बातमीपत्र।
Oh, why you look so sad? The tears are in your eyes. Come on and come to me now, but don't be ashamed to cry. Let me see you through, 'cause I've seen the dark side too. And when the night falls on you and you don't know what to do, nothing you confess could make me love you less. I'll stand by you, I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. So if you're mad, get mad. Don't hold it all inside. Come on and talk to me now. Hey, why you got to hide? I get angry too. Well, I'm alive like you. When you're standing at the crossroads but don't know which path to choose, let me come along. 'Cause even if you're wrong, I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you.
बेधडक निर्भीड बिनधास्त मांडणी करणारा खबऱ्या लाईव्ह।